Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the Facebook Ads Media Library. So inside the platform, guys, we also have a media library section where we can add all the images or videos which we are going to use in our ad creatives. So in this particular section, you can have a library of all the media which you're going to use in the campaigns going forward. So you can easily then access them and create your ad creatives in a much faster manner. Also, all the creatives here would be you can create different folders in which you can organize your media, and then very easily you can access it while your campaign creation is happening. So let's have a look at this, guys, on the platform, how you can use this. So once you are in the account, you can go to the left panel on all tools where you can come to media library here. And this is where you can go ahead and upload all your media files. Okay, so the first thing which we do here is we'll have to create a folder. So let's say we're creating a folder over here in this particular manner. And in this folder now, we can upload our elements. Let's say we're adding images or videos which we want to. So we can access our device and we can add our images in this particular manner. So now these can be used inside our campaigns when we are creating our ad creatives. So this way, guys, folders can be created out here specifically. And also you can create multiple folders. And if need be in the future, if suppose there are certain images which you would not be needing anymore, you would like to remove them. So you can also go ahead and select those particular folders and you can delete them as well. So it's a basic database of all the media files like images, videos, which we use in our Facebook ads campaigns can be kept in one particular place. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand the media library, which we get as an option in the Facebook ads account. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. And I will see you in the next video.